Welcome students. In this presentation, you are going to learn about the 5 senses. Are you ready to explore this topic? Yes? Okay. Let us explore all together. Students, have you ever experienced going through from this walkthrough machine? This machine has auto senses. The human body is very unique. It can also detect the changes in its surrounding. Our senses help us to understand what is happening around us. These senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us. Before going in details of the sense organ, let us discuss a word that is related to all sense organ, and it is a receptor. Receptors are present inside of our body. They receive messages from the sense organs and send that message to brain. Eyes, the sense of sight. Do you know, students, how light travels from our eyes to brain? The light that enters in our eyes passes through the different parts at your eyes and then it goes to the brain. The brain's work is to tell us about what eyes have seen. This sense is helping us to see world present around us. Ears, sense of hearing. Students, do you know how does we hear the sounds? The sounds enter into the pinna opening of an ear. The ear's function is to turn sound vibration into electrical signals and send to brain so the brain can tell us what we are hearing. Nose, the sense of smell. Do you know how we can sniff the smell? Inside of our nose, there are tiny little hairs called cilia. These hairs are connected to smell sensor, which sends signal to brain. Skin, the sense of touch. How our skin feel the touches. Do you know, students? Skin is packed with many sense receptors. Each type responds to different sensation. The sense receptors travel up to brain. The brain receives messages through the sense receptors and tell what we are feeling at our skin. Tongue, the sense of taste. Students, have you ever observed your tongue? Your tongue's surface is not smooth. It is rough and covered with tiny bumps. Do you know how do we sense taste? There are about 10,000 taste buds. They are housed inside the tiny bumps that are on your tongue. Each taste bud has tiny microscopic hair that are sending signals through nerve to brain. The tongue helps us to taste things. Even we can tell if something is sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. The tongue also helps us to talk. Do you know, students, the brain is connected with all the senses in our body. The brain is responsible for receiving all the messages via receptors and give information about each of them. Thank you for watching.